Welcome to the go-to hub for all things forestry machinery. We feature everything from traditional chainsaws to groundbreaking harvesters, showcasing the equipment driving change in the timber industry. Let's delve into the formidable task of falling and bucking a massive cedar tree. The steel MS-880 with a 59-inch bar efficiently fells and bucks massive cedar trees up to 1.2 meters in diameter, combining precision and power for safe, effective land clearing and forestry operations. With its combination of sheer power and state-of-the-art technology, the GS44XL chainsaw swiftly slices through 30-inch logs like twigs. An exciting sensation of accomplishment is fueled by the saw's scream, and each cut is quick and smooth thanks to its solid grip and sharp blade. The Woodcracker L1200 is a heavy-duty hydraulic splitter designed for demanding tasks. With a 1,200mm grapple and 33 tons of splitting force, it offers precision and efficiency, delivering reliable power at 220 to 270 bars for maximum productivity. Stepless speed control and optical log identification are features of the high-performance Ravel WD-1400 sawmill. It has an adjustable debarking feature and can process up to 60 cubic meters of logs per hour, handling logs with diameters ranging from 200mm to 1,400mm. The sound of the John Deere 1270G is truly mesmerizing, with each cut slicing through the air smoothly and decisively. Its CH9 crane, extending up to 11 meters, allows it to efficiently handle trees from a distance, maximizing every minute of work, even with oversized trees. Next in the sawmill segment is the Sara XT135, a powerhouse for large-scale operations. capable of processing logs up to 53 inches in diameter. It features a high-precision bandsaw and a 140 horsepower motor, ensuring efficient, reliable cuts for any project. Ever seen a tree stump vanish in the blink of an eye? Watch the AHW IM65Z in action, a true powerhouse in forestry milling. What do you think of this display of power? Let me know in the comments. I know what you're thinking. This is exactly what I need. And you're right. This wood splitter, with its powerful 0.8-meter circular saw blade, effortlessly handles logs up to 500 millimeters in diameter and processes up to 20 cubic meters of wood per hour. It's time to say goodbye to that old axe. I can say the John Deere 214G with the PP453 Delimber is a real workhorse. It takes on the thickest limbs with ease, powered by a 174 horsepower engine, handling logs up to 600 millimeters in diameter and processing up to 80 cubic meters per hour. Ever seen a machine turn logs into firewood with such effortless power? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor, with its 125 horsepower electric engine, combines raw power and seamless automation, taking your firewood operation to the next level of efficiency. Let's witness the versatility of this machine in action. Rain specializes in crane-assisted tree felling, work platform rentals, stump grinders, wood chippers, and transport services. Their equipment can process up to 50 cubic meters of wood per hour,